Hi, I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Kirsten from your Dream Team Quinte. Welcome to our newest listing just outside of Hastings in Peterborough County.
This 1890 farmhouse is situated on 90 acres with fields and pasture, a trout and skating pond. This farm is sure to charm you.
Come take a tour with us.
This 2.5-story brick home has been beautifully renovated,
keeping many original appointments throughout and its historic charm. Here we are in the historic barn built in 1910 with 22 box stalls and an upper hayloft.
This property also includes many paddocks, a riding ring, and a half-mile track plus many workable acres.